Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ford Fusion SE. Under the hood we have a 2.0-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in white, it looks great. You got the Ford badging up front with your chrome accenting. You do also have your lights right there and your fog lights just down there. Coming around the side here we do have our 18-inch rims with our tires. They look fantastic. They look great, love those rims. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there with the turning signals on them and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle. You got the SE EcoBoost all-wheel drive badging, as well as the Fusion and the backup camera right there. Now to open it up, we just got to press the button. Lots of room back here. Looks great. You do also have your spare tire just underneath there in case you did ever need it, and you can fold those seats forward as well. Okay, we have our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in winter, get it nice and warm for you. Now you also have the button to open up the back and your panic button right there. But let's unlock and let's take a look. When it is locked, all you gotta do is put your hand in there and it will unlock for you as long as you got the key on you. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right in here. You got a handle here and some storage. Looks great in here. The leather seats are very comfortable as well. You also got the control over the seats here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. And then up here we got the controls over the lights, so we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as we do have our auto. And you have your fog lights right there, and your in-cabin light control here. And up here we have the control over the turning signals and high beams. Okay, let's start her up. Put your foot on the brake, press the button, and it's good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge there. Now we can switch that around on this side too. We got different trip A and B, fuel economy, driver's assist settings, all sorts of stuff over there. And then on the other side we do have a whole nother set of options like our phone, navigation, entertainment, all sorts of different stuff there as well. Now that is control from right here and from right here. Then over here you have your cruise control, over here you have your Bluetooth options, and then up here we do have our controls over our windshield wipers. You do have your paddle shifters right there, and then in the center you do have your touchscreen display. Now it does look great. You have your audio here, so you have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as you got your climate controls here. You do have a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You got your phone options if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Your navigation, you can see we are on Recreation Place, as well as our apps there. You can use your Bluetooth and all that, and then you do have your settings right there as well. Down here we got our volume up and down, as well as our CD player. You got your skip and your eject button, as well as your tuner there. Down here we got the heat up and down on each side, as well as the heated seats. Then you do have your different climate control options here, and the power and all those. Down here we do have a USB with some storage there. When we are in reverse, we have the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. That is control from right here, our gear shift, as well as you have your parking brake right here. You also have your cup holders here and some storage underneath your armrest. You do have a dual layer, so you got a top layer and a bottom layer there, as well as a locking glove box right over here. Looks fantastic. Up top you do have control over your sunroof, and you do have a sunglass holder right there, as well as your light control there. And there's our sunroof looking great. And there's our 2.0-liter i4 engine. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you have the same control over your windows, handle here, and some storage. Looks great back here. Very spacious, nice and comfortable. Leather seats. You can fold this guy down. You got an armrest with some cup holders there. And then you can also fold this guy down right here. And you do have that extra storage, as I said, with the seats folded down. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2017 Ford Fusion SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.